Hi, it's Phil here. In this video we're going to be looking at the search by code feature that's part of attendance. This is great for tracking individual students to see if there's any issues or otherwise with their data, or just having a general tidy up of data just to make sure you're caught up with everything. This feature is found under the attendance menu, and about halfway down you've got search by code. We can see you've got a number of filtering options at the top of this page. The date range is where you start, and I've set this from the start of the year through to about now. Then you've got a filter by. I've got mine on no filter, which means it's going to look for every student. If I click the down arrow, you can see there's some other choices. If I chose any of those other choices, the next field down will give me further options, such as picking a year level or otherwise. I can then choose the attendance code or codes to look for. I'm going to be looking for unknown. That's a very common and popular one to do. By clicking there, though, all the codes are available for me to look through, and I can select multiple. Below that, I'm looking for minimum sessions. I've changed this from the default of 3 down to 1. This means it's going to find every single question mark within the date range, but if you put a higher number, it will only find those that are at or above that threshold. I've also got a gender selection there. I've left it on both, which is the default. Once I click search, the table you can see here appears. And initially it's in alphabetical order, but these are columns and they're sortable columns. So I can click on the heading and it will reverse sort it and sort it. I'm interested in the numbers alongside these. So if I click the question mark, it will sort low to high, click it again, high to low. And then I can start to look at the data and see if there's something I need to do about this. So I can see that Camilla Barnes has got 5 question marks. So a good idea from this point is to then go to that student's individual data and see if there's any patterns or something that needs sorting out. So I can open yet another tab, and I would do that by going to attendance and then down to student attendance summary to give me the detail on a particular student. And I can see on this student the question marks that are here, and I can even select a region if I wanted to help highlight those. But I can see the question marks, and then I can start to work through and just actually tidy up that data, or see if there's a pattern or something else like that. Thanks for watching.